Hello YouTube, here from FESD APPS. Today we're going to start showing you how to develop your own apps for Android. This video is intended for those of you who don't know anything about programming but want to learn how apps work, how to create your own. So all we need is to create a Google account. It's free. Doesn't take more than 5 minutes, so if you don't have one, please make one. It's very easy. And in the description of this video, I'll be adding this link, appinventor.mit.edu. Um, this is the link for MIT's App Inventor. It's the program in which we will create our apps. You don't need any programming experience, and we will start learning step by step. This video is intended for all of us who want to learn step by step. If you already know how to program, you will want to look some of the videos we will be having in the future that are more advanced. In this link, you will find different tutorials how to get started, a lot of information from other people who are also learning, also using App Inventor. We're going to click in the right top corner where it says create, and we're going to enter with our Google created account. If you haven't entered yet, the first time you enter, you will have to accept license agreements. Just click next. App Inventor always comes out with these little signs. I'm going to tell them take survey later. This is just to show you what the software is going on, how is it going. Let's click continue. It's very important for you to know that we're not downloading anything and that everything is going to be on Google servers, and you can access everything directly with your Google account from any computer around the world. So this is MIT's App Inventor 2. In this video, I'm going to show you what this is about. We're not going to create an app just yet. That we'll be doing it in the next video. We'll show you how to program and we'll create our very first app. For now, let's understand how this works. Right here in the button projects, we have all what we can do with our projects. Create projects, save projects, delete projects, or import projects that we have been working on. For now, all of these are we're not able to use them because we haven't created any projects yet. Right next to it is the connect button. Connect button is the button we're going to use when we're going to connect our physical device, our physical Android device, to the computer to load our app, the app we're working on. We can do this using USB or App Inventor Companion. This is an app that lets you send the app we're making directly to your device. We'll be showing you how to use this in another video. If you don't have an Android device, no problem. App Inventor has an emulator that shows you how your app is going and how it works on a regular phone. And the next button, build, we'll be using it like in the how when we're finishing our apps. It is used to create APKs files. APK file is the file that Google asks that you upload to Google Play Store, for example, to put our app around the world. The help button will show you libraries, tutorials, and forums troubleshooting in which you'll find a lot of information about App Inventor and how it works. This My Projects button will throw you to this page. Down here will appear every single project that we're working on. For now, we have no projects, so we have no list. The guide button opens up a new explorer that shows us the MIT library. More information which will be very useful if you're learning how to program. This report issues is very clear. This is very important so that the MIT will develop solutions that to problems that we may encounter. For now, let's hit the start new project and it will ask you for a project name. since we want to show you so how it works, let's just put a regular name like my first app. This will open Designer tab. This is how this is called, Designer tab. You see over here, we're on the top right corner. We'll click Designer. It will show us this page. It's divided in 4 parts. The first part is the components palette, in which we'll find every component that our app can have. Example, a button, an image, or a label. We'll be using a lot of different components and showing you how they work in other videos. Remember, this video is to understand what App Inventor 2 looks like. This middle zone is called the viewer. This will show us how our app looks on a physical device. For now, our app looks like this. It only has one button, one image, and one text label. This part over here is called the component area. In this area, we'll find all the components that we have added onto our app, like the button, the image, and a label. On the far right corner or side, we'll find the properties tab. And this tab is intended to change the individual properties of each of the components. For example, we can change in the button the background color, for example, red. We can change the font size to, I don't know, 32. We can change the text color to a yellow. And you can do the same for your text label for your image. You can change the image where you load an image from your computer. This is all intended so that the user can have a better user interface. We can change them however we desire. On the top right corner, we're going to click the blocks designer. Here is where the magic happens. If you see the designers, nothing's happening. We're just in charge of how the app looks. Where in the blocks corner, in the blocks button, we're going to be programming. App Inventor brings some built-in functions that we will be showing how it works in other videos. Here we can find our 3 components, and we will be learning how to program and make apps in the future videos. For now, I hope everything was clear about App Inventor and all the buttons it has. If you have any doubts, please comment. Any suggestions, please comment on how we can help you understand better. For the next video, we'll learn about each of these functions, how they work, and how we can use them to create awesome apps. Please subscribe to our channel. Look for us in Facebook as FESD APPS. We're willing to hear suggestions if you want to see something else. We're waiting for you to tell us what you want. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click like, share it with your friends. We will be showing you more videos very soon, and hope you had fun. Hope we all have fun learning. Thanks for watching.